You have reached your destination.
Yep. All right, so I am. Today's my redo my door day. I've got this to redo. I've got that to redo. That on and on and on. And I forgot that I hadn't done my taillight plinths, so I'll be doing those as well. I'm gonna mix up a small quantity of paint and just get her done. It's a gorgeous day, obviously, and good day forward. So there we go. Got some new latex gloves. I ran out of my old ones. And, I need to prep all that stuff. Tape off the stuff I hadn't, yeah, god damn it. Okay, here we go. I'm all done. This right here was where the biggest bare spot was. And I'll take you around. Yep, all of that is gone now. With only one drip this time. That'll be pretty easy to take down, actually. Yeah, and I did both doors. So there's this. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to show, yeah, between how it looks nice and smooth here, and then kind of speckly here. I don't know how I missed that. And I just emptied my gun too before I had finished up, so all that'll sand down. I'm not too awfully worried about that, but annoying such as it is. Yep. And did my plinths. I think I'm gonna re-clear these things. I think. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out once they're dry, but I think I got some dust in them. Yeah. In all, not a bad Sunday spent. Yep. Oh, it's Easter today too, isn't it? Okay, so I have done a ton of work. This needs some work. As you can see, it's got some work there on the clear coat I gotta get done. So I'm gonna sand a lot of this down and redo the clear coat. Some areas here that didn't go so well. I've got, what do you call it? Some runs here, and some poor coverage here, and that'll be easy to fix. Yep. So I'm more or less done with this. It's been I've taken a month off for work and some other stuff, but yeah, I need to buff this out. In fact, I may do all this. I may do another whole clear coat just to make it nice and even. Yeah, I'll do that. That's what I'll do. Yep. So, sanding, buffing, clear coating, and I'll buff some more. I'll probably do this last, re-clear it last tonight so I can sit there, but I've got other fenders I can work on as well. Here's a really good example of clear coat wet sanding. All of what you're looking at is just clear coat, and you can see it. I'll kind of show you what I'm looking for when I do something like this. Alright, so basically all the stuff is gone, and you can see here an area that hasn't been sanded down well enough. It's still beating up with water. That's a low spot. So I'll have to be very careful about getting that nice and clouded over. And I used that thing to take down some of the runs. Looks pretty good too. And over there as well on the other side, on the little bottom portion. Still some work to get done there. Yep, so I'll wipe all that off and I'll take a picture and add it to the video, and that'll be that. So I kind of wish that I had done a before and after, or and during video of this. This is the fender that I had just recently re-cleared, and I had fucked up the bottom of the fender. It had dripped and had a massive amount of runs. I used a razor blade to cut those things down and to literally shave them down into what would you know, like shaved ice it looked like. Excuse me. And then I used 600 grit, 1000 grit, 1500 grit, and then 2400 and 3000 grit sandpaper to get it as smooth and as polished as possible. I then used these. It's a 3-step 3M thing that on a rough buffing pad, that black one over there, and got all those marks out. So I'm not too displeased at all. And then I used my Griots buffing compound with yellow, then orange, and then white. So all of that took me the better part of a couple of hours, hour and a half maybe. Very precise and so forth work. And you can see my reflection in the paint job. This is exactly what I was hoping for too. Almost a mirror finish. Hell yeah. I am not displeased. And I've hit a milestone. Today is 30 May 2019, and I hereby declare myself complete with bodyworking. I've got some cleanups to do and a good bath to give this thing, but I may do a little bit of resanding. Yeah, maybe some rebuffing in there, but not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, look at that shine. I may go at this one more time with the buffer. Probably, maybe. And a good bath again. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm a handsome man. Yep, so, what's next? Brakes. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of research on brakes. Oh, I gotta buff this thing out too, my Sebring valence, and finish that up. That'll be easy. But brakes, brake lines, brake line routing first. I bought some more black chassis paint. Same thing I used here. That black portion and on the chassis itself. Freaking good stuff. That'll be using for the backing plates. Probably the drums on these things too, now that I think of it. So this is the part that I've not been looking forward to, because it's not that I don't like it. I don't have a whole lot of experience with mechanicals. Hence the Dick Moritz engine and so forth. Boy, I just chewed the hell out of that thing, haven't I? But so I've got a tube bender, I've got the brake kit with everything in it that I need, apparently. P clips out the ass. I've got 2 of those things for the rear, that thing, rear end. So, yeah. Exciting times. Very, very exciting times. I'm done. Well, ish.